So there's Chewy right behind me. He's drilling holes into our existing foundation to put rebar in that will connect to the new foundation using epoxy. Good old epoxy. First, Chewy had to drill the holes into the foundation, and then he had to blow out the excess dust and scrape it out with a little brush. David says, blow and brush.
That's right, blow twice. Do one more squirt down there, please.
That was David Archuleta.
Yeah, blend it so that way you can see that it's nice and one color.
I use him for all my concrete deputy inspector needs, including the epoxying.
Nice and easy.
He always has something witty to say or informative. Here are the finished epoxied Z-bars. You can see they're nice and tight. Got that epoxy's kind of sticking out. That is what is going to connect our new grade beams to our old foundation. They're all along the side there. Nice and safe. So what did we learn today? Well, I learned how they attach new foundations to old foundations. Glue! All that old epoxy that your dad used to use in the basement, gluing stuff together, like wood projects and old soccer trophies. They use it to glue foundations together too.